Hello, welcome to the sky this week. This program intends to make your stargazing easier by helping you in identifying and locating the stars, planets, asterism and constellation in the night sky. We refer to them with their familiar Indian names to bring them much closer to you. This week, moon being in second quarter of lunar month will rise around afternoon in the first half and around evening in the later half. Moon rise delays by approximately 50 minutes every day. On 23rd November, Monday, Kartika Masa Shukla Paksha Ashtami. Half moon will be seen in Aquarius or Kumbha. Try to identify the Nitya Nakshatra Shatabisha here. On 24th November, Kartika Masa Shukla Paksha Navami. Moon will be in Pisces. Try to identify Nitya Nakshatra Purva Bhadra. On 25th November, Kartika Masa Shukla Paksha Dashami. Moon will be in Pisces near the planet Mars. With the help of position of moon, try to identify Uttara Bhadra Nitya Nakshatra. On 26th November, Kartika Masa Shukla Paksha Ekadashi. Moon will be still in Pisces but moved across the planet Mars. Identify Nitya Nakshatra Revati, which is very faint star in Pisces. On 27th November, Shukla Paksha Dwadashi. 12th day after new moon. Gibbous moon can be seen near Aries constellation. Observe Ashwini Nitya Nakshatra here. On 28th November, Shukla Paksha Trayodasi. 13th day after new moon. Moon is seen in Aries. Try to locate the Nitya Nakshatra Bharani here. On 29th November, Shukla Paksha Chaturdashi, 14th day after new moon. Moon is now seen in Taurus. You can observe that moon will be near to Pleiades or Krittika Nitya Nakshatra. Now, let us look at the evening sky of the week. Let us start with Cassiopeia constellation. This easy to identify constellation can help us to identify other nearby constellation and, of course, in locating the pole star. Bisector of this imaginary triangle can be used to reach Andromeda constellation and Andromeda galaxy, which is our nearest galaxy. Using these two stars of Cassiopeia, one can identify Perseus constellation. These two stars can lead to Great Square of Pegasus constellation. Capella, the brightest star of Auriga constellation, is easy to locate in the northeastern sky. Taurus can be seen climbing up the eastern sky, followed by Orion. Achernar of Eridanus and Fomalhaut of Pisces Austrinus are the two bright stars visible in the southern sky. Jupiter and Saturn are seen near the western horizon. Mars can be seen in high sky in Pisces constellation. In the pre-dawn sky, brilliantly shining Venus can be seen near eastern horizon. Canopus in the south and Sirius in the southwest are bright enough to easily locate them. Towards the west of Sirius, Orion constellation catches your attention. In the north, Saptarshi Mandala or Big Dipper will be above the horizon, which can also help in locating the pole star. Leonid meteor shower can still be observed, which appears to originate from constellation Leo, which will be near the zenith around midnight.